Hello developers, welcome back to the complete web development course. So in the previous tutorial we had learned that how to work with paragraph links and with headings. Now let's go deep dive into text. Okay, so we will learn some more things about text. Okay, and text formattings. Let's see. So I'm opening this Visual Studio Code and it will open my previous workspace. That's fine. Web development course, it is here now. Before starting the tutorial, just one thing, I will go to this extension and you have to do it like that. Let me just search for material theme, which has amazing themes. Okay, so we have material theme. Just see, so I have already installed, so you have to install this extension, and you can install this community material theme extension as well, or you can install material theme icon. You can see it right when I just click install, so it will install the icons and your icons will look more beautiful. Okay, so I have already installed the theme, so I will set up my theme. Okay, just see here, now you can see the changes in icon now, right? So you can see. Now let me go to the preferences. I will go to settings, preferences, and then here color theme, it is the option. So I will click it and choose my desirable theme with these options. So let me just choose one theme. This is material ocean. Let me just search for one or more theme. I will just choose this. Okay, and theme darker, fine. I think it is pretty good now. So let me just click close and close. So we have worked with paragraph, headings and links. Now we are going to work with some more about text. Just see here. So let me go to this index.html, and here I don't want to disturb it. I don't want to literally disturb it. Okay, or I can do one more thing. Just Control A and cut it and just create one more file and just write profile. Okay, or profile.html, and here let me paste this code, save it. Okay, now profile.html will contain which code? Let me just see. So this one code. Okay, now I will go to this index.html and I want to write HTML head. Now it's pretty boring to write every time HTML and head and title inside it, so I'll be using one trick. So by that trick we can usually generate these tags automatically. So inside this VS Code editor I will just put one semicolon. No, sorry, this is not semicolon, this is exclamation mark. So I will just put this exclamation mark and hit enter. So it will generate a boilerplate code. Now what do you mean by boilerplate code? So the code that gets repeated, okay, that's get common, that is simply known as boilerplate code. So it will give you like this. So suppose you want head, title and whatever, you just put one exclamation mark, this one, and just hit enter. So this emit will give you this much of lines. Now each one line have their separate meaning, and this is good. Writing this much of code in head tag is very good, but as of right now I will not gonna explain this because this is not the right time to explain these tags. This what do you mean by meta and what I will explain further in the course. But just see here, it is our title, here it is our head closed, body start, body close, HTML close. It means we have same things here also, right? I don't want to disturb any of them. I just only want to disturb this title and say, hey title, text. Here I'm just writing text, and let me right click and open with live server. So it will open this into a live server. Now see, text, it is coming. So it means it's working. So let's go to this body, and let's say I have one heading, or let's say let me just write one one more file I'm just creating here. Okay, I'm just creating here one more file, and let me write here what let me write content.txt. suppose I want something to write here, so let's say this will be my course, like heading or paragraph I just want those. So my heading will be like the complete web development course, complete web development course, like this. Now I want to write some paragraph. Okay, so this is a fully fledged. Let's begin. Right, see, so this will be my heading and this is my paragraph I just want to write. So yes, obviously I will take one heading and I will take one paragraph. Simple. Yes. So now see, if I want this as heading, so how I can do, I can take h1 or h2, right? But just see, I am writing one h1 here. So h1 belongs to the top level of heading, right? The biggest heading. So in one page, in one HTML page, in one web page, try to take only one h1. I don't know how you are going to design it, but always try to take one h1 tag. Why? Because this will give the semantics. Like what do you mean by semantics? Semantics means like proper a structure or a well formed structure that your browser and search engine will understand very easily, and it will really help you in the SEO and things also, right? Yes, definitely. So don't put unnecessary h1 tags or any tag. Don't put unnecessary semantics. It will give semantics. Semantics means a proper meaning, like your browser or your search engine, like Google, Yahoo, or whatever it is. So it will understand that okay, in this web page there is one highlighted, I mean one bold text, one heading is there. Okay, so it will grab that, right? Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? So let's say here in this h1, let me write web the complete, or let's say welcome to Code with Ankit, like this. I am writing this h1. Now just see, if I have subheading, like what will be my subheading, like this one will be my subheading, the complete web development course. So let me just write welcome to Code with Ankit, like here. So here this will be the h1. Now I have one subheading that I want to keep it the complete web development course. So let's put the h2. Now this is a well proper structure here, h2. Now here what I'm going to write, I'm just copying, I will copy it and paste it. Perfect. Now copy this whole bunch of thing and just paste it. But this will be my paragraph, so I will wrap it into paragraph element by just writing this paragraph tag, and p will be closed below. So just see, now I'm just closing this p and save it. Now right click and open with live server. So just see, now it's done. Welcome to Code with Ankit, the complete web development course. This is a fully fledged complete web development course. It will really make you a very good developer. I am Ankit, instructor of this course. Let's begin. So now this is the right way to work with the headings and paragraphs. Okay, don't put unnecessary tags, don't put unnecessary elements. Now the thing is, just see, I want to bold this I am Ankit. Okay, I want to bold this Ankit. Okay, so what I can do, this is like looking like normal. Okay, so I want to bold this so that I can grab the attention of the viewer of the website, right? So what I can do, I just go here and I just go to this Ankit. Okay, and here I will add one tag under this paragraph, and with this font, with this text only, hey, I want to bold you. So I will just bold it, B, and erase this closing. So I want to bold this Ankit na? Yes, so I will bold this Ankit and like this. See, So it will bold the Ankit, ANKIT, comma. It will bold till here. Okay, so under this paragraph, we are using these elements. So they are simply known as, also known as child elements. Why? Child tags. Okay, not the child, matlab that way, because you are using this B tag under this P tag na. So in this reference I can call this this one is the child element also. You can say it also like that. So here we have bold this element. So now let's see here, just see, I am Ankit, it is bold. Yes, it is bold. But now in the modern web development or modern HTML things, we don't do it like that. Okay, this has no any proper semantic meaning. I already told you what do you mean by semantics. Semantics means simply which has the proper meaning. Okay, well formed structure, proper meaning. Okay, so that your browser can understand, so that your search engine can understand it easily. So here what we can do, we don't write it like that. When we want to bold something, we have a special tag, and that is a strong. So I will write this tag only, a strong, and close this tag. Okay, so it will be like this, and just save it. So now here what we are going to do, just see, and now just save it only and see. So now it will again do the same thing, but this strong tag has one semantic meaning. So it is the now well formed structure. Fine. So with these things we have to take care of little small things, okay, from the starting, so that while building a production level code, while building production level application or any project, you don't need to worry about, right? So like this we can do the bold things in text. So any of the things, like suppose I want this fully fledged complete web development, so I can write this web development course. Suppose I want to make it bold, again I just need to write a strong, and strong like this. And one more thing here, just erase this, close the strong tag here, and just end it here, right? So this is the thing, just save it, and you can see, yes, now see the web development course, it is now bold. So a strong is the right option when you want to bold any text or any part of the text. Perfect. Now, so I hope you will practice after watching this tutorial. Please practice. Your practice will make you, and will strongly give you some extra confidence. Okay, here it is. So now see, when I want to make this Ankit little bit italic, okay, like this Ankit, I want to make it as little bit in italic, then how I can do? So we have one more tag here, that okay, this is bold, right? So here if I just write I like this, and this closing tag will end here na? Yes, definitely. Now save it. So with strong, now it is italic, but again italic has not any such semantic meaning. So in this case, if you want to make it italic or grab the attention for a particular text from the viewer, so in that case you should use one emphasis. Okay, emphasis means just to make some just to grab some attention to some one particular text, like emphasis, you want to make it more attentive, right? More attentive, so that viewers can give more attention a little bit there. So for that I'm not going to use this I, okay, so which has not any proper meaning. So suppose I just want, or let's just delete it. Okay, I don't want to place this I here. So just see this let's begin word. Okay, so I want to make it emphasis, now emphasized. Okay, so here I will just write em like this tag. Now this em tag, and here let me just write and close this em tag here. Now let's begin. Just see, let's begin is now let's begin, here it is. So it is now emphasized, you can see it, it is now little bit italic. So by default emphasized will make your text little bit of italic, and of course emphasis will like give some semantic elements, okay, like semantic structure or semantic, you can say such semantic meaning to your particular text which is emphasized, right? So emphasis you have to use. Okay, now emphasis doesn't mean that you only want to make it italic, it means you are giving some semantic meaning to that particular element or particular thing, right? Particular code or particular, you can say, text here, right? So now your browser can understand, okay, this let's begin word, the user will give more attention to this let's begin word because it is emphasized, right? And in italic it is not like that meaning, it is only simple italic. So better to use emphasized if you want to, better to use emphasized or emphasis tag if you want to make it more, little bit more attractive and attentive enough. Okay, you can use this also. So this case you can do it, right? And if you don't want to give any semantic meaning to that, then only use italic I tag. Okay, it depends, right? Here we have used. Fine, so that's it. Now one more thing. So just suppose here I'm just writing the course, I'm adding one more line, paragraph here, I'm adding one more line, the course is live now. Okay, now when you see the course is live now, it is here, yes, but suppose I want to make this live little bit highlighted, like you use a highlighter with the pen or a pencil. So in that case what I can do, so suppose you want to make it highlighter, generally what you can do, you can use this U, right? You can underline tag, right? It will be underlined, this live will be underlined. Okay, see, so it can also grab some little attention, but it is not the right way to do it. Now what you can do, in place of this U, just use this mark. Okay, mark. Now use this mark tag. Okay, use this mark tag and close the mark tag here. Now just see, if I'm using this mark, let me just give enough space to make this more visible, and this paragraph is where I are. Oh, sorry, extremely sorry, I just want to cut this paragraph and want to paste here, save it, erase this line of code, not line of code here, only the space. Fine. Now this paragraph, the course is live now, it is marked. Now see the output, what it is coming. Now live is now highlighted, right? So this is the right way to highlight your text. Use mark tag there. Now can we change the color? Yes, definitely we can change the color through CSS, not through the pure HTML. We can't do this, okay, because it do not have any such attribute, right? So like this we can use to make it bold, italic, or emphasized, or little bit of mark. So, now mark will give some extra like semantic meaning, that okay, this is marked, the color, this is highlighted, right? So this way we can format our text. Fine. Okay, now let's see about list. What do you mean by list? So lists we have already seen in real life. Like suppose your mom is telling, beta, just go and bring some vegetables. Now you prepared a list now. So to prepare some list, to display some list elements here also in HTML, what we can do, we can use the list. Okay, now list belongs to two types, like one is ordered list and second one is unordered list. Ordered list basically give you from the like 1 2 3 4 like this, like in order elements, and the unordered will give you in like bullet styles, like dot, circular, or square, like this. Okay, I will show you here. So let's say the course content. Okay, again I'm just writing H2. Why H2 I'm taking? Because I want to give a subheading. You can take H3 also, but if you just see or if you just see the aspect of designing purpose, you don't need too much of things, right? Just minimalistic design is always good. So I'm just keeping that view in my mind and just writing, okay, the course content, and the course content. Okay, now the course content I'm just going to write here, and suppose I want with this section, the course content, I want to write some lines of text in styles like bullet style or whatever. So let's see, I will use UL like this, unordered list here, and we can write here also like this, like see HTML. Okay, not HTML, like this HTML, and C, save it. So now see, one HTML is coming, the course content, and it becomes a little bit off by side from here. Now HTML is coming. Now if I write after CSS, now see, one CSS is coming. Okay, now we have different lists now. So what I can do, I don't write like that. Okay, I can use, make enough a space, I can use list li tag under this ul li, one list item. So this is the parent of this li. Okay, now this ul tag is the parent of this li. With this li tag we are saying that okay, this one is the list item. Let's say HTML li, again let's say CSS li tailwind, okay, let's say li React, and save it. So just see, can we see that one dot is coming with the list items. Now this is unordered list. Okay, of course we can change, these dots into some another styles, or we can have no styles, no bullet styles also. So this is like the course content HTML, CSS, tailwind, React, like this, right? So this is unordered list. What we can do more, we can have ordered list as well, like which can belong to, like which can give you some ordered written form, right? Like 1 2 3 A B C, whatever. So to write in order form, we just need to write ol and just hit here, and under this ol tag also we can take li. Li means list item. So this list item will be like HTML li CSS li tailwind li, let's say React, and just save it. So just see here, now this is giving 1 2 3 4 like this. Of course we can also change this 1 2 3 4 styling into A, B, or Roman numbers. Yes, we will see later, but as of right now we have done with this list. So like this we can take the list. Okay, like this we can take the list like this, right? So I hope guys you will do it after watching this tutorial completely, right? So order list is there, then unordered list is there, heading, tags, links. I have told you how to work with these things, right? So better you guys should now practice and practice enough that you get CR. It's hard until it's become easy, so you have to practice, right? So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you guys have understood what I had explained here and showed you in the tutorials. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care.